Hey, what's happening, Shiba Inu holders out there? Hopefully, everybody's having a great morning. I know the price action has not been great, but we're going to get into how things are looking right now. And here's the other thing: don't let the narrative sway you. Okay, we hear a lot of FUD from day to day, right? But always ask yourself, where do you think SHIB will be a year from now? Where do you think SHIB will be 2 years from now? Where do you think SHIB will be 5 years from now? Always zoom out when in doubt, because this day to day volatility in crypto will drive you crazy. And if you only listen to all the FUD that's circling around the crypto market today and as it's been recently, it can really shake you in your boots and really force you to make decisions that you'll regret later on. So, with all that being said, let's jump in. Shiba Inu price prediction here, barely making it past the 3260 level right now. Right now, we are at the 3270 level. You can see we're consolidating here. Since December 20th, where we were down here in the low threes, that's our last line of support, by the way, that 30 level. We popped up all the way up to the 38, 39, and now we're kind of coming back down to meet that support level. So, what I'd like to see here, if we do continue to trickle down, just at least hold this last line of support here in the threes. Okay. Now we're going to jump into kind of where we think it could go, what our lines of resistance are, and lines of support are as we're tracking this. This is TradingView, great tool to kind of track the charts. These are 1 day candlesticks, by the way, to what we're looking at here. But let's jump into this article here. So the strongest resistance, that's the high side, right now is at the 3924 level. 3924 is just below the 4 level. That's where we hit here multiple times. All right, on the 23rd, the 24th, right, and again here on the 28th. So that is our highest, strongest rather, resistance is at that 3924. The strongest support presently is 3236. 3236 is our strongest line of support. We haven't dipped below that just yet. Okay. Here in the day range, we did go as low as 3220, which is essentially right there on that line, and we bounced off. Okay. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now in terms of our strongest support, strongest resistance. Now, the market as a whole, this is something to keep in mind, has remained bearish for the past few days. But as the volatility of the market increases, it also gives the bulls a chance against the bears. So volatility isn't always bearish, right? The market might be in their hands soon if they play their cards right. And we could see Bitcoin and other top assets are still kind of, very volatile as well and very shaky. So a lot of what's happening with Shiba Inu is controlled by the broader market. Remember, Shiba Inu now is a top 15 currency. So it moves even closer now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, right? And all of these top tier coins because it itself is a top tier coin. There are a lot of whales involved as well. So there's a lot of manipulating, which can be good and bad as well. But let me scroll down here. There's one little last piece. So for right now, the SHIB market remains bearish. But again, the bulls are trying to come back and reclaim the market. Let me just say this too. I think it will happen. I can't give you a date, a time. I wish I could. If I had a crystal ball, my gosh, I would be. We'd all be just billionaires right now if we had a crystal ball and knew exactly what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, and all of that, right? So to make short-term predictions is very, very difficult. But when we look at the outlook of 2022, I tend to agree with Benjamin Cowan that we are looking more and more like we are in a lengthening bull cycle. And let me take a quick sip. And if that's true, then I think we're going to have a great 2022. Okay, that's kind of where I'm sitting right now. Now, real quick before we get out of here, let me bounce into this real quick. We do have our Patreon page, $10 and $20 packages. I will be getting rid of the $10 package here very soon, where the only package will be the insider package. It's going to include, though, private member only weekly podcast. So a weekly podcast for just private members. That is weekly live streams as well. A lot of the times it will be kind of combined there. Buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts, access to our Discord, our great community, almost 1,000 people strong. So get in while you can. Only 303 left. Great time to join here early in the month in January. You can also save 15% off if you pay annually, just over $200 for the entire year. So that is also an option as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Very grateful for you. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.